In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add funds to Steam with Paysafecard. First, open Steam on your computer or head to the Steam website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account you want to fund. In the top right corner, click your profile name and choose Account Details. On that page, look for the option that says Add Funds to your Steam wallet and select it. Next, pick how much you want to add. You'll see preset amounts like 10, 20, or 50, and in many regions there's a custom amount as well. Choose the figure that suits your purchase plans, then click Add Funds or Purchase to move on. On the payment page, open the payment method drop-down and select Paysafecard, then click Continue. If you don't see Paysafecard listed, it may not be available in your region or for your current store currency. Otherwise, continue and Steam will guide you through the secure checkout. You'll be asked to confirm basic billing details, such as your name and address, so Steam can generate an invoice and apply the correct taxes. Ensure the country matches your Steam store region, check the boxes to accept the terms, and proceed. You'll be redirected to the official Paysafecard portal to complete the payment. On the Paysafecard page, enter the 16-digit PIN from your voucher or your Paysafecard account. Double-check the numbers before submitting. If your voucher balance doesn't cover the full amount, Paysafecard may let you combine multiple PINs if there's leftover balance. It stays on your Paysafecard for later. Follow the prompts to authorize the charge. Before finalizing, review the order summary one more time, including the wallet top-up amount, any taxes, and the total. When everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. Paysafecard will process the payment and send you back to Steam automatically. Once you're redirected, you should see a confirmation that your Steam wallet has been credited. Your updated balance appears at the top of the page, and Steam will also send a confirmation email for your records. If the funds don't show right away, refresh the page or check your email to verify that the payment cleared. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added funds to your Steam wallet using Paysafecard, and you're ready to pick up games, DLC, or items from the market. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.